Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new, hi, welcome. This is a vlog. Went to Rio Ocho Rios on my vacation with my dad, and it was fun. So let's get into it.
We're not going on the beach. I'm told or towards after.
Boy.
My first reaction when I got here was like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, clean, and peaceful. And I mean, everything was just great. Here we are now at our room. All right, let's get back to it.
Alright. You want to say to the camera? Although your dog come over other side.
Thank you, Gail. I've been waiting for this a
Long
long
time.
God,
Aww.
thank you. Wow. Thank you.
Can't bother with daddy, you
Pick
don't
up where you
come.
don't mess up. Pick up.
Hi everybody. Woo, we made it.
Yeah, we made it. We made it.
We made it. We get the Rio. Pretty
You get
good
the
enough.
Rio?
Yeah. Oh, just clean. Hey guys, having my dinner now with my dad. Ready to eat fruits and vegetables. Yeah. Little me, little more. Yeah, there we go. It's lunchtime.
Ryu offered a buffet style type of lunch, breakfast, and dinner, and they gave us so many different options. Listen, I had to make sure I didn't overdo it. My dad had enjoyed himself though. So let's get back to it.
Daddy, a cool out. Oh my god. Oh, sir.
Rio also comes with a scuba diving company and also a spa. However, they cost money, so we didn't go there. So this is the room. Basically, we got two queen size bed and a really nice flat screen TV. Also, we have areas to plug in our phones, and then there's a balcony where you can go and view the night sky or the day sky. The bathroom is right behind those curtains to the back. I forgot to record the bathroom, but the bathroom is really nice. It's really clean. You get towels and washcloth as well. So this is outside, and I'm telling you, day and night, this place is beautiful. So we're gonna go for dinner. Um, I like the dress. However, I wish it was a little bit more form fitting. But who cares? I was on vacation. So, yeah, let's get into it. This was one of the fun parts, okay? I had octopus for the first time, the Jamaicans. But all right, let's see what happens.
Uy, Lord, save my stomach. Alright, ready?
Yeah. One, two, three. Rubbery.
I still don't know what it tastes like, but I mean, it was alright. So we're here at the end of day one. The band was amazing, and we spent 2 more days, and it was just the best. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bless.